So today we're going to show you how you can compress or make a zip folder in macOS. So basically it's very simple. All you want to do is have the folder that you want to compress or put the files that you want into a new folder. As you can see here, we have our test folder. We just have an image in there just for the sake of showing you how to do compression. What you want to do is you can either right click on the folder and right click and click compress, or if you can't right click, you can just go up to click on the folder first, go up to file, click compress. So as you can see now we have our test folder.zip, and if we move that into our finders and move some stuff around here, just move that over here, we just drag this into here, just click move, and if we open this you'll see it'll decompress, and there is our folder that we just zipped up. And if we open the folder, you'll see that the image that we saved is still there, and you can just delete that now if you want, or you can keep it. Either way, that's how you zip and also unzip / decompress a file on Mac. It's very simple to do. It's also useful maybe when you want to send a few attachments in an email or something, or there's like a size limitation on an upload or something. You can always zip the documents up and make it a bit more compressed. Thanks for watching.